welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. I'm gonna do something fun today, which I always start my video that way, then I'm never sure. Okay, so this is not revolutionary, but for me it kind of is. I got these things from Amazon. First of all, how cute is this little thing? Now I know there's like so many specific things for pouring and you could probably get something better, but I don't know why I insisted on this. But first of all, how cute is this? I think obviously you'd want to tape this off so it doesn't get ruined, but I thought this shape would be perfect for something bloop like that, or this cute little one. So on my Patreon group, I sent them a color combo that was really intriguing to me and I wanted to do, and I finally was able to mix up the paints. So this is my idea. It's a blue, I'm gonna show you the colors in a minute. I had to mix a lot of them custom. It's a blue and pink vibe, okay? So I was thinking, what if I did a blue kind of sparkly background, and then, now I know people do this, and I'm very nervous about it, but what if I was gonna do it with my pottery wheel, which I haven't used in 3 years, but what if I like go like this, wait, okay, I should practice. Okay, I go like this, right? And then I just go, what would happen? I don't know. So let's see. I don't know. Be right back. Okay, let's talk about colors. I'm gonna actually use TLP Benevolence. This is the new color they created, and $5 of every jar is going also to the Hurricane Relief Fund. It's beauteous. I made this custom color with Indigo Extra from Old Holland and Schmanky Delft Blue to get this kind of thing here. A little phthalo turquoise. Now I made this custom piggy because there was a specific color I was going for, and this was it. So I used Ballet Slipper, Athena, Latte, Comet, okay? Then I made this custom gold, mixing TLP Ore and Harvest. I made this custom cute little pink with Holcroft Reflection and a bit of titanium white. I honestly don't remember what this is, but it's pretty. I'm sure I mixed something together, sorry. And I'm gonna use White Cell Activator. So let's see what happens. Okay, I haven't really made a plan about what's happening. So I'm gonna make my blue background, right? And then what happens? Because I want like a loop in the middle. How do I make a loop? I wish you guys could tell me, right? Loop. Okay. I might just have to watch what I'm doing. All right, let's just do it at this point. So I'm gonna be using this color. It's Sherwin-Williams Naval Blue. I don't really care because we're not really gonna see it. This, by the way, is this 16 inches? 14 or 16? Okay. So I'm gonna pile it in the middle first because, oh, so there was a big something there. I'll look in a minute. Because I want my blue background to show, I'm going to be stretching it out. Let's just, it's quite thick, isn't it? Hold on, I see this little yucky right here. You can't escape me. Okay. Now I'm gonna need more. Should I do a bit more? Okay. Oh yeah, why do I do this to myself? Okay, so I'm actually gonna layer the dark blue that I made, which is a little thick. I'm gonna thin it out with some Josanya because I don't really need it that thick since it's just kind of for background purposes. I mean, technically I could just use Anchors Away and then not use this at the bottom, but I don't know, maybe we'll give it a cool effect, right? And since we're just playing around, we're not worried about outcome. I always tell myself that. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Okay. We'll just use the whole thing, right? Because that's how we are. It's a nice color. And then whatever Benevolence covers is great, and if it doesn't, that's fine too. Okay. Now, let's Oh, I didn't bring a skewer. Oh, here's one. I just don't want any bubbles in the background. You know what I mean? Okay. So now we can do the same thing with Benevolence. It is such a pretty color, by the way. All right, here we go. Right? Yeah, just like get her down. Whatever happens, it's fine. Maybe it will look cool, right? You never know. Okay, so I am gonna stretch this out a little bit because I don't want to have to stretch out my spinny thing that I do too much, right? So why don't we just spin it a few times, and then we're gonna get to the fun part. I was gonna say stressful part, but come on, get a grip, Lisa, right? This could go horribly wrong or not horribly wrong. I'm not gonna say amazing. Okay, I'll just do this for a little bit. Okay, stretchy, 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 stretchy. I mean, it would be nice, I see a little something. It'd be nice if my first spinny thing kind of turned out nice, you know? Oopsie, sorry. I banged you right down. Okay. We're just stretching. So I'm gonna just move her here for a second just to chill. She's fine. Just so I can do this, right? She's not exactly fine over there. Let me put her over here because you know me. I'm just gonna end up on the ground. Okay. I didn't even think about layering or anything. Now the problem whenever you put something in anything is the bottom really sticks. So I want to try to keep it, you know, towards the edge a little bit. And maybe I'll just put the rest here because we just want to give it something to, you know, move off of. So we're just gonna like, kind of like do this. Is this the right thing to do? We don't know, but we're just giving it a good first layer. Okay, so I am going to start with the gold, okay? Oh man, why do I do this to myself? Okay, we're just gonna fill her up. Okay, now, yeah, just relax. This is gonna be a lot of paint. I probably shouldn't use all the paint, but that's what we're doing. Okay, we have the gold. I'm going to drizzle the blue. Well, it doesn't matter. I don't know. Okay, drizzle the blue. All right. We're gonna dump my custom pink, which I love. Oh gosh, I'm concerned already. Okay, and then I'll do this other pink, which we don't know what it is. And I'm gonna put Cell Activator down. I'm gonna blow and I'm gonna go. Blow and go, okay? Oh man, I'm gonna drizzle this on top. Yeah. Okay, are you ready? We're putting this back so I can, are you nervous for me? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, because I just want some cool cells or something. I don't know, right? Okay. Here we go. Oh God. That did not work at all. Okay. Oh man. I mean, that's pretty. Okay, I see. I probably should have done it myself without spinning it. Do you know what I mean? Like, just move my hand slowly. Okay. Don't be concerned, guys. I'm not I mean, I'm kind of giving up, but I'm not really, okay? Let's just pop the bubbles and see what's going on here. I mean, it's kind of, the middle's kind of cool. I just wish there weren't so many bubbles, but that's just kind of what you get. And the reason I'm popping them now is because I don't want to spin it. Do you know what? I might have to torch it. The reason we don't really torch house paint is because it's kind of toxic. But these are so many bubbles, and I don't want it to get too wonky. So we're just going to do it. Don't tell anybody. Okay? Don't tell. Don't ask, don't tell, basically. You know what I mean? That's how we roll here. Okay. And you don't want to torch too much and burn your paints, but also I really want to get rid of them. Okay. Do you think at this point, there's a lot of paint, so a lot's going to spin off, but do you think it's salvageable? We don't think so. I know we don't. But, because it's basically going to get like this, which might not be horrible. Okay, ready? I wonder if I take this little swiper and kind of, at this point, like making schmooges in it will be weird because I don't want to ruin the natural middle. So I'm just gonna put Cell Activator on the back. Okay. And we'll do like a mini spinny. Do you know how am I doing it? Okay, we're just going for it. Is this making it worse? 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 Possibly made it worse, but we'll see. Very cute little cells. I am gonna spin it out again. So hopefully this will like open up a bit. And I really love the pink. So I wonder, I'm gonna take a bit more of the custom color that just pink color that I made. Okay. And I'll just put some. Okay. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do the dark pink pigment and then the light pink pigment. At this point, we don't know. So I put the dark and the light because those cells are kind of catching my eye. We're gonna do this again. Okay. Okay, at least it's not like, you know what I mean? Just crazy cells in the middle. We can now work, hopefully, with the shape. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my skewer, I'm gonna dip it into the dark pigment. You know how I like to dip, okay? And we can just start dragging that color. Dipping it in the light pink. Okay. All right. Let's spin. Is this a thing? Let's spin and see what I've done. The colors are really nice. I'll give myself that. Okay, guys, I know it's not what we expected, but I'm actually thinking, I'm gonna do a close-up for you, but I'm really enjoying this kind of natural marbled, you know how I love flowy things? This like natural marbled flowy effect. It really looks like some sort of rock formation, and I'm really enjoying that. So yes, could I do this color combo better? 100p, but like I love certain things about this. So let's look at it. Okay, I wanted to show you the dry version, and I'm torn, okay? She's sitting on the couch so you can see her, but I also want you to see the color. Like, it's so beautiful, bright. Let's talk about what I like. What I love, actually, is all this area here. What I don't love is when I overworked this here, it doesn't make sense to me. And obviously where there were like these little problem areas. So I would love it if it were just this. And I really want to do it again. I don't know why. I just love these like natural looking things. They just make me so happy. But all in all, like, I don't know. So the options are, if I had time, I might paint this all blue to cover that up. But then of course I would still have these imperfections that I don't like. You know what I mean? I wish it was like that. And then we would just see this beauty. But I'm going to do it again. But I just wanted to show you my thoughts on the final version. Like even here's pretty. You know what I mean? It's just too bad that it can't all be perfect. But there's something very intriguing about her. Anyways, you let me know what you think. If you agree with me about the cool areas and the not so cool areas. Like I love this piece. Yes, all of this I love. All right. Thanks for joining. Bye.